Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about an useful app, that is vFlat. To your Play Store and type vFlat. Okay, vFlat. This app is a scanner, okay, which is functioning based on the OCR technology. OCR stands for Object Character Recognition, which is used to read the text from the image file like your printed documents. Okay, it is very helpful to you to take notes for your examination and class purpose. So select install. It will take few seconds to install. So now it's installing now. Okay. So it will take a few seconds. Now it got installed. So once the app got installed, select open. It first checks the device performance, that the memory is sufficient, and give the necessary permissions. Okay, agree the terms and condition. You will read the terms and condition. You are free. First, it demonstrates the various secrets like various features: original image, the converted image, color enhancement, and the finger removal. Okay, finger removal is under development. It is in beta version. Okay, so this is the demo. Then close it. In center, okay, now I am having a document. It is viewed in a camera. You can take an image, select the circle. Okay, select the circle. Now the image got captured. This is an image file. To crop the image, you will select the crop, which is in the bottom left corner. Select crop. Okay, I'm able to crop here. Okay, so I'm cropping the file and click done. Okay, you can adjust the rotation. Okay, angle also you can adjust. Also you can able to adjust the angles. Okay, likewise in the bottom you will have a feature for this. Like you can rotate it. For example, using rotation you are able to rotate your document like this. Okay, once your cropping is over, you will select done. Now this is my captured image. Now I have to run the text recognition. Okay, to convert the text in the image to a text file. Okay, run the text recognition. This is immediately bottom of the captured image. You will get a symbol. Okay, which is the T, which is in the square bracket, and run text recognition. You have to select it. So select recognize. It recognizes by using the OCR technology, which used to read the text from the image file. Now it will take a few seconds. Okay, now the conversion is over. Image and text. The image which is captured, the text of the image got extracted. I am able to export. Okay, I am able to share it or export it as an image or a text file. Okay, so now I am going to share. I want to share this text. Okay, I am selecting a text and selecting the share option. Share auto option. I can able to share it through message, Gmail, and IMO and WhatsApp. Okay, and lot of options are available. I am selecting a mail. I want to mail this content. I am selecting a mail. So text will appear like this in the body of the mail. So I am selecting a appropriate recipient ID and I am typing my notes. Okay, and I am able to send it. In this way I am able to send the image. Likewise, we are able to export it. For this, okay, second you have to select the export option. Okay, this is first one is copy all and export. Copy all, it means, okay, very simple. Copy, give a copy all, entire text will be get copied, and you are able to paste it somewhere else. Okay, I want to paste it somewhere. For example, opening a notes. I am able to copy some other app. Okay, no, okay, I am able to copy and select and copy. Okay, this is copy all. All the text will get copied. Okay, so this is another feature. Back to vFlat. Okay, my image. So text. Now to export. Okay, selecting second option, export. You can export as a PDF file or text file or a zip file. Okay, now I am exporting it as a text file. Okay, text export. Select text export and open a file. So for example, I am having a text viewer. By exporting, I am able to see it as a text. I'm able to make a modification by using the edit option in this app. Okay, you can use a text editor app, okay, in your mobile phone. Okay, otherwise I can share it also. Can share it to as WhatsApp and Drive and Gmail. I'm able to share it also. So same way I'm able to export it as a PDF file. So export it as a PDF file. Okay, so PDF export. Okay, to open a PDF, it will get open. Okay, so in this way we are able to export the file. Okay, even though it's image or text, okay, whatever you want to export, we will export also. Okay, so this is a way we are able to export it. And for a zip file also, I'm able to, okay, zip file also you have to create a appropriate name, my zip, and click OK. It will be exported as a zip file. Okay, you are able to save these files. Okay, then okay, for example, this is export option. So I want to create a local folder in my mobile. I want to store this file. For this you have to select a more in the bottom right corner, more option. There you will have all the option including move. Select move. In a move you will be able to create a folder. Okay, these are the folders. My reads and my folders are the folders already created which contain various documents. And to create a folder, in the top right corner you have to have folder symbol plus and a plus. Select it. Give a suitable name. My class notes. My class notes. Okay, I'm giving a add. The folder got added. Select the folder and give move to select folder. The given file got, okay, the file which is recently scanned got moved here. So I go to folder. In the folder, okay, my class notes, in my class notes folder already the file is here. Okay. And to delete a particular file you can give a delete. The file will get deleted. You will get the, and to save in a gallery you are able to give a save to gallery. The file will give is saved in the gallery. Yeah, that's it. To have some options, you have a color enhancement options, automatically it will do. And finger removal, remove your finger in the scan result. Okay, will enable it. Scan guide, show the scan guide. And we are having a setting. We are having automatically save the copies in the gallery and vibrate when scanning. And we are able to change the document to the portrait or a landscape. We are able to change it. And we are able to change the mode. So like dark mode on, dark mode on. This is the dark mode off means, okay, it will come to the light mode, white background mode. Okay, terms of services and privacy policy are given here. This is created by the Voyager X is the company. The app version is 0.9.46 is the app version. These are all the setting. Okay, thanks for watching this video. That's it. Okay, hope you will use this app and enjoy your notes preparations. Okay, thank you.